Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So glad you're here today because we are going to talk about something that sounds incredibly boring, but I promise by the end of this video you will be using it like a pro. We are talking about HTML ordered lists. Yes, I know you're thinking ordered lists really, that's the topic. But hey, even the most legendary coders started by making a numbered list. So buckle up because we are diving deep. And don't worry, I'll keep it fun. No one should fall asleep learning HTML, that's my personal rule. Let's go. Alright, so first of all, what exactly is an ordered list? Imagine you are writing down the steps to make instant noodles. You can't just randomly throw everything in. First, you boil the water, then you add the noodles, then the seasoning. Order matters, okay? If you add the seasoning before the water, well, you'll have a bad time. That's exactly what an ordered list does in HTML. It displays a list of items in a specific numbered sequence. Okay? In HTML, we create an ordered list using the OL tag. What we use? The OL tag. Okay? So OL stands for, you guessed it already, ordered list. Each item inside the list is wrapped in the li tag. Okay, li stands for list item. So let me show you how the basic structure looks like. Okay, so let me show you. So first of all, you need ol, I mean the order list tag. Then you need the list item tag, and for example, you are going to write here first item. Then you are going to write here. Let me show you. Uh, Second item, and then you are going to write here third item. Okay, now let me open up the preview tab so you can better learn what the code do. Okay, and when the browser renders this, as you can see in the preview tab too, it automatically gives you first item, second item, third item, and you can see in the preview tab the browser does the numbering for you. You don't have to type 1, 2, 3 manually. How convenient is that? It's like having a personal assistant, except this one never asks for a raise. Now, here is where it gets interesting. What if you don't want plain old numbers? What if you want letters or Roman numerals because you are feeling fancy, right? HTML's got you covered with the type attribute inside the OL tag. So there are five types, and the first type we are going to discuss here. The first type, so we are going to use the type attribute, and I'm going to write here 1. Okay, so if you write 1 in the, I mean, if you set the type to 1, this is the default. If you don't write any type at all, this is what you get. Okay, plain numbers. Nothing exciting. Like plain rice, it works, but it's not exciting. Okay, so there is a type 2, and that is uppercase letters. Okay, so if you write here capital letter A, great for when you want your list to feel like an exam question. Which of the following is a programming language, A, B, or C? Classic. Okay, and there is a type 3, and that is lowercase letters. So if you write this, for example, same as the uppercase but more chill. Here lowercase energy applies. Okay, so there is a type 4 too. So if you write here, for example, capital I letter, then we are getting fancy. Okay, Roman numerals make everything look more important. If Julius Caesar had a website, this is definitely what he would use. Okay, so there is a type 5, and that is small capital, I mean small letter I. Same as the uppercase Roman numerals, just more subtle, like whispering in Latin. Understand? Now, here is a question. What if you don't want to start from 1? What if you, if your list starts from, say, 5? Maybe you already showed items 1 through 4 in a previous section, or maybe you just don't like the number 1. No judgment here. Okay, for this we use the start attribute. So for example, let me show you how this works. You need OL, then you need the start attribute. Okay, and you are going to write here 5. It means your list will start from 5. Okay, let me write here, for example, JavaScript. You can check the effect in the preview tab too. And there is Python, and there is PHP. Okay, so see that it started at 5. The start attribute always takes a number, even if you're using letters or Roman numerals. So if you write start, let me show you. If you start 3 with the type A, and if you set the type attribute and you write here A, so you can see that it will start from C, because C is the third letter. Okay, HTML is smarter than it looks. Okay, so this one is my personal favorite, and that is reversed attribute. What does it do? It counts backwards. Okay, a countdown list. So for example, if you write here, show you how it works. If you write here reversed attribute, it automatically reverses the numbering perfect for top 10 countdowns on YouTube. Okay, maybe I should use this for my next video to top 3 reasons why HTML is awesome, number 3, number 2, and number 1. You don't need a value for reversed. Just writing the word reversed inside the OL tag is enough. It's what we call a boolean attribute. Okay, it's either there or it's not. Now let's level up a little bit. Nested lists. What if you have a list inside a list, like a main topic with subtopics? Okay, this is called nesting, and HTML handles it beautifully. So let me show you how it works. For example, you need the OL tag, and you need the LI, I mean list item tag, and I'm gonna write here, for example, front end development. Okay, so what I need to start here ordered list tag again, and I'm gonna write here HTML. Okay, then I'm gonna write here CSS, front end development for, and I'm gonna write here JavaScript. Okay, so as you can see, now what I need to start an other, I mean let me show you how it works. So I'm gonna start another li tag, and I'm going to write here, for example, li, and let me show you, for example, PHP. This is a programming language and we're not going to use it here. So if you use, for example, if you let me show you how it works. So you need li tag again here, and you are going to write, for example, backend development. You need here OL tag, and you are going to write here, for example, Node.js, and you are going to write here PHP, and you are going to write here Python for backend development. Okay, it's a list within a list, like a dream within a dream. Okay, except way less confusing than that movie Inception. Just make sure you properly close every tag. Forgetting to close an li or ol tag in a nested list is one of the most common beginner's mistakes. Okay, the browser might still render it, but your code will look like spaghetti and not the good kind. Okay, now here is a little bonus for you because I love you guys. By default, ordered lists have some built-in spacing and bullet styling from the browser, but you can customize them fully with the CSS. So for example, if you use the style tag, let me show you. If you use the style tag and you cover OL here, and you set the color, okay, and you set it navy, let me show you how it works. And I'm gonna use the font size attribute, and I'm gonna set it to 20px. Now I'm gonna use the line height attribute, and I'm gonna set it to 2. Okay, so here our style is done. Now what I need to open up the ordered list tag. I'm gonna write here, for example, li learn HTML. As you can see, we have set CSS. Now it's affecting. Okay, and I'm gonna write here learn CSS and get a job. Okay, and I'm gonna write here buy a house, and I'm gonna write here uh, thank this YouTube channel. Okay, so you can change the font, color, spacing, and so much more. The OL tag plays very nicely with the CSS. There is also a CSS property that is called list style type, which gives you even more control over list markers. But that's a full topic for another video. Stay tuned. Alright, let's do a super quick recap before I let you go. The OL tag creates an ordered list, items in a numbered sequence. Each item uses the li tag. Okay. The type attribute changes the numbering style, numbers, letters, Roman numerals, and the start attribute lets you begin from any number you want. Okay, there is a reversed attribute counts backward, and you can nest list inside list for sub items, and you can style everything beautifully with the CSS. Okay, that's it. You know everything about HTML ordered lists. Honestly, you probably know more about ordered lists than most people walking the streets right now. That's a fun fact you can bring up at dinner parties. If this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps channel grow and tells YouTube that we are doing something right over here. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I read every single one, yes, even the weird ones. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. We've got a lot more HTML, CSS, and JavaScript content coming your way. Until next time, keep coding, keep learning, and remember, even the internet is just a bunch of tags and lists when you strip it all down. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.